Welcome to Money Time at Money 9. On this brand new show, we give you all the important personal finance news that matters to your pocket and your life. There is good news for people buying cars. Car buyers can now book Maruti's newly launched XL6 SUV at 11,000 rupees. India's largest auto manufacturer, Maruti Suzuki India, has announced that its customer can book its MPV XL6 at all its 410 Nexa outlets across the country. Consumers can book the 6-seater SUV at 11,000 rupees. Maruti Suzuki's latest model comes with a next-generation K-series engine. The company said it has been seeing strong demand for premium MPV for the last 2 years. And its newly launched SUV will live up to young generation's expectations. Yamaha Motor launched 2 new motorcycles on Monday, and there is more for the youngsters. Yamaha Motor on Monday launched an anniversary edition of its flagship 155cc super sport motorcycle YZF R15M. Along with it, a new version of its popular MT15 bike model was also launched. The 155cc YZF R15M will be available at ex-showroom price of 1.88 lakh rupees in Delhi, while the new version of the MT15 model will be available at ex-showroom price of 1.6 lakh rupees. The former is powered by a 155cc liquid-cooled engine that produces a maximum power of 18.4 PS at 10,000 RPM. It comes with a 6-speed gearbox, while the MT15 version 2.0 will be equipped with Bluetooth technology. Yamaha Motor India Group of Companies Chairman Aishin Chihana said the MT15 version 2.0 is exclusively for young riders who are in search of premium street-naked motorcycles. TCS recommends final dividend of Rs 22. The IT sector behemoth, while announcing its fourth quarter and the entire financial year 2022 results, has said that its board has recommended the final dividend of 22 rupees per equity share of 1 rupee each. The dividend payout is subject to shareholders' approval. It will be paid on the 4th day of its 27th AGM. The IT giant also came out with quarterly profit of 9,926 crore rupees and revenue in excess of 50,000 crore rupees. NPS investment in HDFC Pension Fund returns 14 to 20%. The National Pension System, or NPS, released a return of all its 7 funds over the past 5 years. Under the Tier 1 equity plans of the NPS, the investors have got the maximum return by investing in the HDFC Pension Fund. This has given higher return than the Nifty 50 index in over the last 1, 3 and 5 years. In the last 5 years, the HDFC Pension Fund has given 14.64% returns. In the last 3 years, it gave 16.58% returns. While in the last 1 year, the pension fund has given 19.87% return. It has beaten Nifty 50's return in all these time periods. Up next, PFRDA's FY22 pension AUM target falls short by 7.50 lakh crore rupees. The pension fund managing organization, the PFRDA, said that it has fallen short of meeting its fiscal year 2022 pension AUM target by 7.50 lakh crore rupees. Although the pension AUM managed by the organization has grown by 27.43% year-on-year in fiscal year 22. The number of subscribers in various schemes under the NPS and Atal Pension Yojana 2 has seen a robust increase of 22.58% in the fiscal year 22 with 5.2 crore subscribers. Up next, it's time for some tech news. India to now make the high-tech iPhones. US tech giant Apple has announced that it will start manufacturing iPhone 13 model in India from Monday. Do you know that US smartphone manufacturer already manufactures 3 other iPhone models in the country, that is iPhone 11, iPhone 12 and iPhone SE? Now its contract manufacturing partner Foxconn will be manufacturing iPhone 13. Apple has been manufacturing iPhones in India since 2017. Up next, it's time for aviation news. Domestic air passenger traffic is up by 59% year-on-year, but still 40% lower than pre-pandemic period, says ICRA. The credit rating agency ICRA has estimated the domestic air passenger traffic to increase by 59% to 8.4 crore on a year-on-year basis in the financial year 2022. But the domestic air passenger traffic is still down by 40% than the pre-pandemic period, although it has also grown sequentially. But the average number of passengers per flight in March 2022 was 132, which was lower than previous month's average of 135. ICRA has informed that trouble continues to mount for domestic airlines as aviation turbine fuel or ATF prices have almost doubled in the last 1 year. ICRA predicts tough time ahead for the airlines. And we end this bulletin with some market news. The benchmark equity indices Sensex 30 and Nifty fell 482.61 points and 109.40 points to close at 58,964.57 and 17,674.95 respectively. ID stocks played the major role in pulling down the indices, starting with HCL Tech, which took the biggest blow and fell by 2.73%, followed by Infosys, which fell by 2.67%, and Wipro, which fell by 2.16%. Another tech giant, TCS, traded in the green today and came out with impressive quarterly and yearly results. That's all for today on Money Time at Money 9.